So I want to welcome everybody to season 4, Kachi's Kid. It looks like we're going to be done with the weather problems. So we're going to start this season off with a huge bang. But before we start tearing these engines up, I thought we'd go ahead and break them in. So today, we're going to take Dominique for a ride and we'll talk about the upgrades I foresee for her. Today on Kachi's Kid. It's great to be back, folks. Now, just so you know, we're going to take it a little bit easy on the engine. We're not going to try to kill it today. But you know, at some point we're going to have to see what she does. So I definitely miss riding all my bikes. And over the winter, I decided something about this bike that a lot of people might not be too happy with. And folks, that is, we are not going to turn this into a hot rod. The upgrades I'm going to be doing will be official upgrades, but I think most of you guys are going to have a problem with the exhaust I chose. As some of you know, I'm not the biggest fan of the two-stroke sound, so I'm not a big fan of making it much louder. But guys, to tell you the truth, I'm not looking to go super fast on this thing. I have other bikes for that. I'm looking to make this more of a cruiser. But never fear. We'll be upgrading a lot on this bike. Such as the carb, the CDI. I already mentioned the exhaust. But along with that, one of the ones I don't have right now that I'm really encouraged on seeing what it does, because there is a lot of myth behind that boost bottle. So we're definitely going to test that boost bottle this year. And I'm also looking to get some mag wheels. Now with me saying that, I already can tell you I don't know how far my money's going to stretch for the mag wheels. I've got a couple other things planned, but maybe at the end of the year. Definitely an upgrade in tires. I have some Michelins that I'm looking at. Alright, that's enough. Woo! Alright folks, on that note, I guess the squirrel is telling me to end this video, so I'll go ahead and end it here. Folks, do me a favor, just give me some time to break these engines in. I'll attempt to get the break-in on Hope started tomorrow. And then I promise you, we're going to upgrade the heck out of these bad boys. So until then, this is Kachi's Kid. A number of you guys chimed in and informed me I had my head on incorrectly in one of my previous videos. So I want to give a shout out to Sky Vector Aerial, who was the first one to notice it. And want to give even a bigger shout out to Motorized Bicycle Rider. I'm going to share a link to his channel, guys, because when you're talking about builds, you got to see his. Everybody have a great night. Peace out, y'all.